Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlink a bank account from Stash. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of bonus stock. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for External Bank Account. Click on External Bank Account. To unlink a bank account, you need to link a new account first. Click on the option that says Change your external bank account. Now, select how you want to link, either instant verification or manual verification. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to link a new bank. And once your new external bank account has been linked, the previous bank will be permanently removed. That's how you unlink a bank account from Stash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.